Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sharing Simple Knowledge. After a few days I am going to do another case note explanation. Today we are going to see the case of Miss Honey Cashew. So let's read in detail. You are a home health nurse working for a local maternity hospital. The patient Miss Cashew, a 21-year-old fast food restaurant manager, has returned home after giving birth at your hospital. You've been assisting for the past week under the patient's insurance policy but will need to hand the patient over to a community nurse when this time is over. That is the reason, because the insurance policy is over, so they have to hand over this patient to community nurse who will look after her. So the reader is community nurse. We got the information from here itself before we read the writing task. That is on the 8th postpartum day. So they will look after her only for 7 days until the insurance policy will cover. So before we proceed with the patient detail, let's see what is the writing task. Using the above notes, write a letter to Rebecca Simpson, Community Nursing Service, about the patient. So from here we didn't get any purpose why we are writing to them. See, so we can read the plan. From the writing task itself we will not get clear picture of the purpose, so we can read the plan as well. Patient may need emotional assessment by a mental health nurse and support with bonding and caring for her child. Then child's weight and general health requires monitoring. Possible assistance required with the household duties. Possible domiciliary care. So that are the requirements. So the patient name is Miss Honey Cashew. Date of birth is given. Sex is given. Occupation restaurant manager. Then the personal history. She is separated from child's father. So we know the reader is a community health nurse. So what all information we have to include in this case note, we should prioritize accordingly to the reader. So it is important information because the community health nurse will be the one going to look after her and her child. So they should know she doesn't have anybody in this area because she is recently moved to this area. Few friends live locally. Parents are unable to visit or offer help. Client works long hours during day and will be unable to care for baby during day when she goes back to work. So these all are the reason why we are requesting a community nurse to look after them. Otherwise, if there is someone, no need request for a community health nurse, isn't it? So then let's move on to the recent medical history. She has delivered 12-hour uncomplicated vaginal delivery, healthy baby boy. Previous medical history is no history. So these information no need to include because there is nothing. And we can include what is the current situation. So we can, she had a vaginal delivery. Then the postpartum progress. There is nothing. So only there is one concern. She concerned about caring for baby alone. So we have to include this information. Then second postpartum day, discharged home. Did you notice one thing here? In this letter there is no discharge date is mentioned because they are handling until 7th day, then 8th postpartum day. It is mentioned here. So anyhow, don't worry about the date. The exam date will be the one we have to write it here. So, okay. Then let's see the other page. Patient coping poorly with adjustment. Baby crying constantly. Unable to sleep after arriving home. House untidy and disorganized. 5th postpartum day. Patient disheveled, sobbing and exhausted. 7th postpartum day, baby has stopped crying, patient greatly relieved, patient feeling guilty for being a poor mother. Regrets decision to have child. Child looks pale and lethargic and he has diarrhea. Too sleepy to breastfeed. Buttocks are excoriated. Skin dry and weight has decreased since discharge. So we are writing this letter on the 7th postpartum day, because since 8th postpartum day, the community health nurse has to look after. So we have to write earlier. Then again, just read the plan. Patient may need emotional assessment by a mental health nurse. So it has to be arranged also. And support with bonding and caring for her child. Child's weight and general health requires monitoring that can be done by the community nurse. Then possible assistance required with household duties. So maybe if there is any need, they can arrange the domiciliary care as well. So let's see how we can write a sample letter. So our reader is Rebecca Simpson. As it is not mentioned here, Miss or Mrs. we can write MS, Miss Rebecca Simpson, when it is unsure. Then she is a community health nurse. So even though it's not mentioned here, it was mentioned at the beginning. So we can write community health nurse, then community nursing service. So the exam date we can write. Then dear Miss Simpson, or we can, usually we are writing the exam date, they will write today's date is like that. Otherwise we should count from the beginning. Then we have to put that, but it is not mentioned when she was delivered like that. So don't worry about that one, the date. Then dear salutation, dear Miss Simpson. Reference Miss Honey Cashew. Then the date of birth is 5 November 1998. So how we can write the introduction? I am writing to refer Miss Honey Cashew, who has poor coping ability with child care. What is our purpose? She requires assistance with baby care. We can write 1 week ago, Miss Cashew delivered a baby boy by uncomplicated vaginal delivery. Since then, she is under our care. On her second postpartum day, she was discharged home, but she was concerned about caring of her baby alone. Then next we can write after 4 days. During my home visit, Miss Cashew was noticed to have coping difficulties with the new adjustment. Her child was crying constantly. As a result, she was unable to sleep after arriving home. In addition, her house was untidy and disorganized. The next day, she was disturbed, sobbing, and exhausted. Then we are reached here today, because today we are writing the letter. Today, Miss Cashew felt relieved as her baby stopped crying. However, she feels guilty for being a poor mother. She even regrets her decision to have a child. Then regarding the baby, we can write Miss Cashew's baby appeared to be pale and lethargic due to diarrhea. He was too sleepy to breastfeed. His skin looked dry and buttocks were excoriated. Additionally, his weight has decreased since discharge. Then we can go to the social history. Miss Cashew is a restaurant manager and she has been separated from the child's father, and she has recently moved to this area. Then as she works long hours during day, she cannot look after her child. Then the requirements. Considering the above information, it would be appreciated if you could arrange a mental health nurse and support with the bonding and caring for her child. Then please monitor child's weight and general health. Then please provide assistance with the household duties, and if in case needed, arrange a domiciliary care. Then the closing sentence we can write, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any queries regarding Miss Cascio. Yours sincerely, because the name is given here, no, Rebecca Simpson. So yours sincerely, home health nurse. That is our position. I think it's clear for you and easy to understand. So thank you for supporting me, and please like, share and subscribe my channel so it can reach to other OET aspirants as well. Thank you. Bye.